Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Wildan Khalil Akbar. I'm the student of Faculty of Medicine Sultan Agung Islamic University Semarang, Indonesia. As we may know, randomized control trials or RCTS are the gold standard study design used to evaluate the safety and effectiveness of healthy care intervention. Today, I'm going to read an RCT article entitled Efficacy and Safety of the SGLT2 inhibitor empagliflozin versus placebo and the DPP4 inhibitor linagliptin versus placebo in youth with type 2 diabetes, a multicenter randomized double-blind parallel group phase 3 trial using control checklist 210. Pilgrim Consult stand for the consolidated standard of reporting trials. It provides guidance of or recommendation of reporting all randomized controlled trials. I have divided my presentation into 5 parts. First, I'm going to find the item of the control checklist of the title on abstract and as well as introduction in the article. After that, I'm going to find the items of the consort checklist of method followed by a result in this RCT article. Then, I'm going to find the item of the consort checklist in the discussion. Finally, I will summarize my presentation. All right, first of all, identification of components of the title using SPICE. All right, identification of the title use SPICE. First is the population. We can find the youth as a population. Next, we can find as a vision versus placebo and the DPP4 versus placebo is condition. I'm sorry, is intervention. Next, the type 2 of diabetes is condition. And the last one is multicenter randomized double-blind parallel group and phase 3 trial is the design. Right? Next to the let's begin by the title, abstract, and the introduction. First, I will show the table of the items. All right, as we can see, if the table, one is for by 1A until the 25. So I will explain one by one. All right, to the journal again. All right, let's begin. This 1A, in the title of the article, we can find identification as a randomized trial. Like this, in this one. Okay, next to the 1B. 1B. Nah, in this article has structure summary of the background, methods, next the finding, and the interpretation. Okay, next to the second 2A. 2A in introduction. Nah, in 2A, we have 7 paragraphs in introduction, and in the last paragraph, we can find objective of the study and hypothesis. 7 paragraph. And we can find the hypothesis right there in 2B. Right. Next to the 3A. 3A is right there. Now, in 3A is in the method, we can see the trial design with the description, the site Dynamo was a global, multi-center, randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled, parallel group trial in 108 countries and 15 countries. This is 3A. Next to the 3B, in the 3B is right there. In 3B, we can find the important things to request from regulator to reverse the statistical analysis plan, modification due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and the addition of an ancillary study, Dynamo Mono, currently ongoing, that is not subject of this manuscript. Further detail as described in the supplementary appendix. Next to the 4A, 4A and participant. In 4A, we can find the eligibility criteria divided in two: inclusion and exclusion. Inclusion and exclusion. One of the example of the introduction criteria included a negative test for both insulinemia. Right. Next to the 4B. 4B in the right there. Right. This is the 4B. We can find that majority the data was from the North America and any other like from South America and Asia. Like this, most participant is the big one is the North America and study is on the any country, right? Next to the number 5. Number 5 is right there. And the randomness and masking. In the number 5, you can see the intervention of each group with Soviet's detail allow replication, including how and when they actually extremize. In this one. In 52 weeks. All right. Next to the 6A. In 6A, in outcome measure, that mean an article in this article there is primary and secondary outcome. Primary and the secondary outcome. This is the 6A. For the 6B, I'm sorry, I can find this on the journal. Maybe we can next to the find another item. Next to the 7A in sample size. Sample size. In the sample size. Now, this is the 7A. We can see this the sample size was determined on this journal. This is the 7A until the estimate. As we can see, this that is the sample size was determined. All right. Next to the 7B. Next to the 7B. The 7B is in all right, and this one, 7B. In 7B, we have information of stopping quit line when application of any interim analysis and stop quit lines. Nah, this is the 7B. Next to the number 8A, number 8A in in this one. Number A is SAS software version with used to generate the random allocated source. SAS software the version of 9.4. This is the AKA. The HB I can find in this journal next to the number 9. The number 9 is there. This is the number 9. A multiple include-based per protocol analyze explore the impact of important protocol dividend of the primary result. Pre-plan subgroup analysis the primary endpoint explore the consistency of the treatment effect across subgroup using implementation strategy of the primary analysis. Sensitivity and subgroup analysis appear in the supplementary appendix. Now this is the number 9. Next to the number 10. Number 10 I can find in this journal next to the number 11. All right, for the number 11A in number 11A right there. The investigation, this is the number 11A. Investigation reminded the POC trial of the assignment plan medication. Participant and its investigator were blinded. This is the number 11A. Segment of the blinded medical case drug interactive restaurant technology for all participants at the initial randomized and further randomized on at week 15 and 6. Next, for the 11B. For the 11B, I can find in this journal next to the number 12A. Number 12A in the statistical analysis. Statistical analysis. Nah, right there. This is the 12A. Actually, the information method, not explicit statistical method, used to compare primary and secondary outcome. Primarily from the primary family of hypothesis concept to pairwise comparison of the treatment effect of inflammation plus and then with placebo. This is the 11A. Next to the 11B. 11B is right there. The modified intention to treat set was basis for primary analysis included all randomized participants treated with at the last dose of the study medication and who had baseline HbA1c measure all available on of the treatment HbA1c that week 26 was include primary analysis in the placebo group. This is the 12B. In the statistical analysis, interim analysis were performed. Next to the 13A. For the 13A, in next to the 13A in the result. This is the 13A. Right there, right there. For each group, the numbers of participants who were randomly received entered treatment and were analyzed for the primary outcome. This is the 13A. The 13A was among the parts, the amount of the participant. Next to the 13B, 13B in like there, right there. This is the 13B is the for its group the number of participants who were randomly assigned received entered treatment and were analyzed for the primary outcome. This is the 13B. Next to the 14A. 14A in the result again. Right there in the 14A, you can find this date. This is the date, the dates, the finding, the period of recommitment and follow up. This is the 14A amount the date of the recruitment and follow up. Next to the 14B. In the 14B, I can find in this journal next to the 15. In 15, we can find the table. Right there, the table 1 is the table of the baseline characteristic of the participant of treated set. This is the number 15. Next to the number 16, number 16 is the right. Number 16 is the right there. There is the number 16 for the ANCOVA model. ANCOVA model. This is the number 16. Next to the number 17. Number 17 is like the table number 2. Table number 2 is there. This is the secondary outcome. Table of secondary outcome. This is the number 17. Next to the number 17B. The 17B is the right adjusted. The 17B is the right there. The adjusted mean change in the body weight from the baseline to week 23 was in the convalescent versus placebo group. The corresponding change from the ligap-19 is for among the four binary outcome presentation of both absolute and relative effect size is recommended. Next to the number 18. Number 18 is right there. For the implication and the sensitivity analysis solved slightly generator reduction in ABS-C versus placebo. This number 18 was among the result of any other analysis performed, including subgroup analysis and adjusted analysis, distinction pre-specific from exploration. Next to the number 19. Number 19 is the table of number 3. Right there, this is the number 19. Number 19 is the table of overall summary of adverse event to week 26 treated set. This is the number 19 table. The number 20 is in the discussion. Like there in the this is the number 20. There was a limitation of the study, although the novel design of Dynamo helped to overcome the recruitment difficulties seen with previous trial of youth with type 2 diabetes. There was relatively small number of study participants, limiting detailed subgroup analysis. This is the number 20. Next to the number 21 is in the upside right. Discussion in the hall. Nah, This is the all motivation of the study has based by COVID-19 pandemic were accepted by set on the modification of the study based COVID-19 pandemic were accepted based on the converse 121 statement and the considered minor change with no meaningful effect on the study objective or result question, clinical acceptability, internal validity, and generality, feasibility or analytic method, and statistical power. Of note, for the primary endpoint analysis, we're going to missing ABCD data at week 26 as a result for the COVID-19 pandemics. This is the number 21. Next to the number 22, the right there. There is the number 22. Our findings show that amplification reenactment professor and clinical relevant and statistically significant reduction in HbA1c in youth with type 2 diabetes wearing egaglutine did not provided statistically significant improvement in glycemic control. Right, this is the number 22. Next to the number 23. The number 23 in the upside. Number 23 is in the upside size recommendation. Oh, in the right there. This is number 23. Study is registered with Critical Trials Gov NCT 034295543. This is the number 23. Next to the number 24. 24 in the downside. In the right there. This is the number 24. In accordance with the purchase claim policy on transportation and publication of clinical study data, scientific and medical research can request access to clinical study data when it's become available on this link 2 years after publication of the primary manuscript in peer-reviewed journal. Please visit this link to the future information. This is the number 24. Next to the last one is the number 25 for the finding. This is the number 25. The finding, the butchers, Inson, and a Lily and company Alfians. So that concludes my presentation. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.